This brand is made in the USA by Travis Industries and is sold through a limited dealer network. The stoves feature traditional styling combined with their next-gen fire technology to provide a clean burning stove, and they feature a unique automatic ignition system which eliminates the hassle of starting the stove. They do not include blowers as standard equipment, but they offer a single-speed blower as an option. The warranty on the heat exchanger is not as good as other brands, but their hot surface ignition system puts them in a class by themselves. The Answer model features a 59,527 BTU heating capacity and traditional styling with legs, while the Evergreen model offers a 70,720 BTU heating capacity and either legs or a pedestal base. The Liberty model features a step top and a 63,239 BTU heating capacity, while the Rockport model is a cast iron catalytic stove with a 55,466 BTU capacity and a 82% heating efficiency. This brand receives an overall 5-star to pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.